Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Learn English with Archita. Now today we will learn something about tenses. Now what are tenses? What does tense mean? Tense means the timing of an action. Anything that we do, we work, we eat, we do certain types of things in a day. The work that we are doing, that are verbs. And tense just tell you about when the verb has taken place. What was the time? What was the condition? Like in Hindi, we say मैं कर रही हूँ. It shows a continuous. If I say मैं कर चुका हूँ, it shows a perfect past tense. Similarly, in the English, these tenses helps us to understand the timing of that action. Now, if we learn about tense and its types, so there are three kinds of tenses that we all know, that is the past, present and future. Present, that we do now, the things that we are doing right now. The past, that has already been done in the past. So past mein ho chuka hai. And the future, that will happen, that has not happened yet. Now, what are present tense? Today we will learn about the present tense and its types. As we all know, the present tense, what we are doing right now. It has 4 types. Even the past has 4 types, present has 4 types, and future has 4 types. Now what are they? First we need to know what are the types and how they work. If I talk about the present tense, the first part is the simple present tense. What does it show? Simple present tense. So in the present we are using first form of verb, drink, go, walk, read. These things are showing in the present tense we have done, but it is not showing the timing. Now, if we talk about the examples, like I go to temple, I read books, I visit a house, I love talking to people, or that is that is a different sentence. I talk to people, I like her. So these are the simple present tense. Now, if I talk about present continuous, that is the second type of present tense. First type is simple present, that is not showing any time. It's a simple, or you see indefinite bhi kaha jata hai. The indefinite tense, why? Because there is no definite time of that tense. If I talk about present continuous, that shows continue. That means I'm still doing it. So we use I am going, she is doing. That means first form of verb plus ing. That is showing the work is continuously done. And another separate video I'll be making where I'll be talking about where we use is, am, are. With the what is the first person, second person, third person, and why we use first, second, and third person. That also I'll make a video. Now, if I'm saying, for example, I, with I we always use am. With we, like I am also included, other people are there, so we are using are. You are second person singular and plural, because when we address to someone with the singular plural we use you. And they are, and he, she, it, third person singular, we use is. With that helping verb we use v1 plus ing, because that thing is still going. For example, I am reading a book, she is going somewhere, you are writing something on the paper, you are requested to stand up. If there is verb, then v1 plus ing. If there is a verb, then only we are using v1 plus ing. Otherwise, the present continuous shows it is the present state. For example, I am standing in my room, or I am in my room. I am standing, verb came, so ing is there, v1 plus ing. Otherwise, if I am saying that I am in my room, it is also showing my present condition, that I am in my room. For example, I am 25 years old, that is showing my present state, then my 25 years old is still going on, right? So that is how we use present continuous tense. Now, for example, I am reading a book, I am writing something, I am drinking coffee, I am drinking tea, I am going somewhere. So there we are using helping verb plus v1 plus ing. That's showing continuity of that verb in the present tense. That means this type of tense is showing in the present. Now this is showing the time that still this work is going on. So there is present continuous. Now the third part comes present perfect tense. Do you know what does perfect means? It is already been done, completed. That's why we use verb third form, done, completed, secured, gone. She has gone. Now again I will make a separate video of helping verb. We, you, and they we use have, and with he, she, it we use has only for the present perfect tense. So in the present third form is perfect, that means the work is already done. For example, I have completed my work. You have done your work. She has, she, he, she, it, with that we use has. She has gone somewhere, and it means animal or things. So there we are using has. They have committed a crime. So we are using V3 with they. So that is the third part, perfect tense, where they are using they have, we have, you have. So that is showing the perfect tense of that verb. And this perfect tense is actually showing the time. Unlike indefinite, continuity is also showing the time it's going on. Perfect tense is showing that this thing is already done. It is showing the time that is already done. So it is perfect. And with that we are using third form of verb. Now the fourth form is perfect continuous tense. I'll also show you with the last video that after 3 forms that I'll be showing you the written forms of it, where present perfect continuous, that means present is there, the helping verb will be there, and perfect tense comes, that have, had, whatever it is there. So that is the helping verb here. And continuous means have ke sath, if I'm writing, for example, I'm using a verb, then I'll be using V1 plus ing. That means, for example, and also with a perfect and continuous means, perfect means has or have, nothing else, that is the helping verb, has and have. With that V1 plus ing will come in the present perfect tense. And उन दोनों के बीच में we will be using been, B-E-E-N. For example, I have been, and that shows that has started. The timing is showing that the verb has started and still going on. For example, it के साथ we use has. It has been raining since morning, or it has been raining since 9 o'clock. That shows it started raining and it's still raining. That means it has, it के साथ has लग गया, perfect tense. Continuous है तो बीच में been लगे, it has been raining, verb rain, like it is pouring, or we can also say it has been pouring since 4 o'clock. Pouring means hail. So it has been raining, has perfect, been is there to join perfect and continuous, and V1 plus ing, that is showing the continuous. It came all together, so it has been raining since 9 o'clock. If I'm saying I have been writing this letter since 4 a.m., that means I started writing that letter and still doing it. That means I के साथ have लग गया, been लग गया क्योंकि continue आने वाला है इसके बाद. Write का writing, continue means writing लग गया, verb का writing form लग गया, continuous form लग गया, and whatever it is the object. So I have been writing this letter since 4 o'clock. She has been riding a cycle since the morning. That means she के साथ has perfect, been is the joining here the continuous, ride का riding हो गया continuous. She has been riding a cycle since morning. So it is showing the perfect continuous tense. So there are 4 types of tenses when it comes to present. First is simple present, that has no time. Present continuous, that is showing the continuity. Present perfect, that is showing it is already done. And present perfect continuous is showing it is started and still going on. And perfect means has or have, accordingly जैसे perfect में लगता है वैसे ही लगेगा. Just I और he, she, it, you जिसके साथ भी has और have लगता है present में just वही लगने वाला है. And with that been plus V1 plus ing, that is showing the continuous. Perfect continuous है ना, perfect भी आ गया, continuous भी आ गया, means V1 plus ing. बीच में लग गया perfect और continuous के बीच में been. So I have been doing, she has been riding a cycle, I have been taking my tea. So these are the 4 types: simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Thank you for the day. Bye bye.